So I just actually discovered this. There is actually a code on this sneaker. I did not know that. I've been seeing Kobe's for ages, but I've never seen this code. And I think this code also appears on other sneakers too. Let's talk about it. Hey, if you didn't cop these, you must be salty. I'd be salty too, honestly, if I miss out on these. But yeah, let's talk about it. What's up, guys? Thanks once again for tuning into the channel. This is KIXPLORE. We talk everything about sneakers, lifestyle, travel, and a little bit of everything in between. And today, we're doing a sneaker review. Hey! So we're talking about these babies, these beauties right here. These are the Kobe 6 Protros in the sail colorway. Once again, shout out to Kobe's family. May you rest in peace. Great man, done many great things for the game of basketball. And yeah, definitely shout out to him and his family, man. But yeah, we're talking about these once again, the Kobe 6 Protros. I don't know, in terms of like Kobe like sneakers and all that kind of stuff, I probably only have 3 pairs. I remember I had the it was the Nike Kobe 7 in the leopard, I think, colorway. It was purple and it had fluoro like interchangeable like a low cut to a high cut strap. That was pretty sick. Sold that one to a friend, Dom, shout out to you. Got a pretty good price on that, mate. I also got the, I think it was a Kobe 10 in the all white. That was pretty sick. I ruptured my Achilles in those Kobe 10s, but hopefully I don't get that much injuries wearing these ones, because man, these are sick, man. There's so much I want to say about this actual sneaker. I gotta probably say that, yeah, I'm not the biggest Kobe fan. If I could say, like, I'm more of a Jordan fan, as you can see, and all my sneakers down there. And in terms of the amount of like sneakers that I've worn, I probably bought more LeBrons, just more because they are more accessible. Because hey bro, Kobe heads out there, Kobe sneaker heads, they be going crazy. Every time there's any release, they always gobble it up. So I can never really get a pair. And so I just had this really special kind of opportunity to actually cop this one. So shout out to all the guys that helped make this happen. You know who you are, so thank you to you. And shout out to Sneaker Lines, man, because they're back, man. I went to the one in Pacific Werribee. Hey bro, it must have been at least like 30 to 50 deep of people like waiting. And I was actually one of the people that didn't cop, because I got there, it opened at 9, and then yeah, people got there before 9. Yeah, I was able to, I think it was meet Justin. Yeah, he showed me his pair, because I wasn't sure if I was going to get one. But he showed me his one, so shout out to you, so I'll get to the content, because it did look really nice in hand. And now that I have it in person, oh yeah, shout out to Sneaker Lines. I got it for around 250 Australian dollars. Fair price. Also, in terms of sizing, I was able to try this one on. So normally in all my Nikes, I am a size 9.5 because I got a fat foot. So I got the size 9 length, but I've got a fat foot, so I need to go for the extra 0.5, so 9.5. But for this pair of sneakers, I highly recommend you guys to up half a size, because I got a size 10. Now this one still pretty snug, I'm not gonna lie, but I haven't tried on Kobe's in years and years and years. So yeah, very fortunate to try the 10. Maybe try it out first before you actually go buy a pair, because if you haven't bought us Kobe's like this before, you know, you might be in for a rude awakening when you try it on and it's really tight. Because I did have a friend said that it is kind of tight on him, so maybe like kind of suss it out, guys, first. This colorway is not the first one to ever come out. So back in 2011, Kobe did come out with these in the All-Star game. So these are the All-Star Kobe's, Kobe 6s. And ever since then, there have been multiple colorways. Some of the more memorable colorways are the Grinch and the reverse Grinch. But yeah, this one, out of all the Kobe 6 Protros, this is definitely my favorite. Not just saying that because this is the only Protro 6 that I've got, but it's plain white. man, hard to go wrong with a plain white, because if you got a fluoro green or a very bright red, there's only certain things you can wear with it, and I think it's too loud. But this one's just perfect, I think. In terms of the actual colorway, it's the like kind of white sail cream colorway. But in terms of the details, probably the most prominent detail you can see is the snake skin upper on the design. As you can see on this side, it looks like stars, but this side it looks like snake skin. And I think that's a really cool design, because it kind of just evolves into a different shape on this side here. It's also embossed. I don't know if you got, it's like an embossed kind of detail on it. So sick. It's got the big stars there, probably just to commemorate All-Star, you know, the All-Star game and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, it's so sick. Also, heel tab on the back. Very firm, translucent heel counter on the back. And this really plush, it's like overlaid over it. It's like a plush suede. Feels very nice to touch. On the collar, it's got a light pink or light purple kind of nylon or synthetic kind of cotton on it. Feels very nice to the touch as well. And if you look at the tongue, it's got, I'm pretty sure that's the Mamba Mercurial symbol over there. Could be wrong. This reptile kind of design kind of continues on the tongue as well. I don't know if you guys could see it, but yeah, it's got like that kind of subtle design on the tongue as well. And another thing I wanted to say about the colorway, because it's white, it's supposed to also symbolize the shedding of snake skin, obviously, because this is supposed to, because mamba, the black mamba is this like kind of the animal that kind of describes Kobe, and when it sits as a snake, it sheds its skin. Here in Australia, we could see sometimes when we go out to rural areas, we could see snake shed its skin, like the skin that is left behind. It doesn't look really nice. Guys, I kind of understand why they were kind of referring to the snake skin now. It's more the bottom traction. This is what they're talking about. That's pretty amazing. Now I see it. Now I can, okay. All right, maybe I like the idea of the snake skin now, because it looks sick. I kind of changed my whole mind about it, but yeah. Oh, it smells so good. You could see that it's got the traction kind of herringbone design over here, and it's got the carbon fiber plate, so here and also there. I put these on and I immediately, I'm talking about immediately, like immediately I felt the traction, like the grip was so strong, so nice. And I was like, man, these are going to be awesome on court. It's like, it's nice here in this like kind of slippery kind of flooring, so even better on hardwoods. And that's what I noticed with all the Kobe's I've ever had. They've always had exceptional grip, even through the years. After you use it for ages and ages and ages, yeah, they still, you know, one little wipe like this and you're good to go. In terms of cushioning, it's got Nike Zoom on it. Also, what's really cool is that it does come with two different laces over here, you can see. So they got the black, and also what it looks like to be another pair of white laces. But these laces here, the one that come default on it, is like pure white. If you can notice that the color on these, on the actual Kobe upper, is more of a slightly creamier white. So the reason why I say that is I think it matches more this laces than the actual default ones. Pretty cool. And oh, there's actually a really cool detail here. At first I think it was Braille, but I had to look it up online and Google it and everything. And there's actually a Kobe code, and I'll show you guys. I was like reading this article, what does the Braille text mean on the Kobe? So I looked at everything and they said to Google Kobe code. And so I'm Googling the Kobe code, and this image comes up here, and it basically has all the symbols with all the kind of letters attached to it. And for this one, right, for this sneaker here, for all this Braille or whatever Kobe code symbols, pretty interesting. So and they all say here, it spells out Black Mamba. Really cool design aspect of it as well, and it makes the story of the actual sneaker go deeper. Anyway guys, so yeah, I want to do a performance review on these, but man, like I'll probably wait till after the All-Star weekend to actually give these a go. yeah, to ball out with some of the mates and stuff. But yeah, look out for that one. Man, I definitely highly recommend this sneaker. This looks awesome. I really love it. I think it would be great even as a casual sneaker. I saw these on, what's his name? Hype Dad. I don't know if you guys seen him on social media. Very funny dude. Does a lot of like skits on sneakers and everything. And he wore these with snap pads and they look pretty nice. So I probably might think about even wearing these casually, other than just on court. But if I can, I'll probably try to save the traction and the herringbone for the hard court only. Anyway, guys, so this is my review. And yeah, definitely highly recommend. Sneakers are back, bro. Sneakers coming back. But yeah, thanks once again for watching. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. And yeah, all that good stuff. Please give my video a like so I know what you guys like and what you guys want to see more of. Anyway, guys, thank you once again. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.